Lane Stace. 76 is off. Cody Geddes on the infield. Lane Stace is out front, running a good one. There's the 31. I'm looking for 31, was it? Yeah, Mark Heaton. Mark Heaton should be in 31. He's not out there. Okay, Lane Stace, car 7, a big, powerful lightning sprint. Out of 4, comes up, ripped it into 1. Second place getter, he ripped it pretty low then. Lane Stace has streaked him at the moment. Through 4, comes up. Wow! How to listen to him. Lane Stace out front again. Another lap done. Comes up to 1. Goes it into 1 round the run. Beautiful run through 1 and 2. 45 hooking. Wow. Have a listen to him. Second D2 through 1. Push wide. Wow. That's the 126, that's Ali Moore. That's Ali Moore. The 47, Danny Stowe. I've heard of him. They're ripping. Chris Davis in the 1. Lane Stace. Here comes Chris Davis. Coming into 4. Making ground on Lane Stace. Wow, what a ground he's made up. The A1. Chris Davis. It's gonna be on now. Lane Stace. Chris Davis. Into 3. Comes up to 4. Coming up to 4 car. Oh! Chris Davis right up on the tail. There he goes! What a move! Wow! Unreal. Checkered flag. Chris Davis. Lane Stace nothing.